So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and get Spotify on your Apple Watch. Now, doing this is actually fairly basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to want to do first is you want to make your way over into your App Store. So click onto your side here and you want to go ahead and find your App Store on your Apple Watch. So for us, it's right there. So go and tap on that particular button. Now, I already have the application open, but in case you don't, what you want to do is you want to go and click on your search bar that's at the very top right here, and you want to search for Spotify. So I'm going to tap right into here, and I'm going to click on the microphone down here, and I'm going to search for Spotify. So now it's going to search for the Spotify application. Now all you want to do is you want to tap onto this Spotify app that looks like this, and then you want to download and install this application. It's going to download and install like any other application on your particular Apple Watch. So there's not really that much you're going to have to do here. So now all you have to do is basically just click on download and install. And then once it's installed, you can basically click open and it will open up the Spotify application for you. And that's basically all you're going to have to do. Now you have Spotify on your particular Apple Watch. You can listen to your songs and everything like that. And that's basically how it works. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.